question to you. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a hatchet out of a saw blade? Well, this is the video for you, because today I'm going to be making the second saw blade hatchet I made. The only difference with this one is that there's more teeth, so whenever you throw it at something, there's a higher chance that it's going to actually grab onto whatever you make. Yeah, so let's get started, guys. Just a quick lay down on everything you need. I got one carriage bolt, 2 washers, 1 nut, a hatchet handle, and of course, 1 saw blade. Now you don't have to use a saw blade, but you could use whatever metal you want. I just like the design of the saw blade. I did more of a Grim Reaper type design for my saw blade hatchet. The reason why I went with this is you can see that more of the teeth are actually showing, as opposed to my last one, I think only 4 teeth were showing. So this way, whenever you throw it at something, there's more of a chance that it'll actually stick onto whatever you're throwing it at. I cut the shape with my good old angle grinder. Just cut this out with the angle grinder, but we have to use some type of sanding disc to make it all smooth, so all like these rough edges aren't here, and maybe just enhance the sharpness of this part a little bit, the teeth. I think that would be really cool. It'd be a really nice touch. Don't mind Patrick, that's just Patrick in the background. Say hi, Patrick.
Subscribe to PewDiePie!
Oh yeah, okay. Make this nice and tight. So we have our blade portion all sanded down. Now, you want to find a way to kind of swivel this in here. And in doing so, basically line it up and sand off whatever extra you have on top right here. Essentially line it up, mark down the Sharpie, and then you have to drill a hole through here large enough for your bolt to fit through. Here we have our mark. I'm just gonna drill a hole right into the center. The outer circle is obviously the outline of the saw blade. My drill with the desired bit that I want to use. And then just drill the hole. Add a paracord handle to this. Now would be the time to do it. Essentially, you would drill 2 holes here and here, and then you would just go to town with the paracord and wrap it in whatever fashion you want. But I don't know, I kind of like just the bare wood effect, so I'm going to keep mine like that. Though I am going to get rid of this piece right here. This is obviously just the handle, or what they used to hang it at the hardware store. Funnest part. You're almost done. Kind of swivel that in there. Just persuade it. Tap down. Good measure. Alright, you could use some epoxy if you want to, but I honestly don't think that's necessary for this. In typical apocalyptic blacksmith fashion, take your carriage bolt, the washer, put it in on one end. If you have to persuade it a little bit, go ahead. Oops, it's like a little too much persuading here. Other thing here. Actually, wrong side. Nut. And screw that pupper on. I'm gonna grab a wrench so it's all nice and tight. Just as a little finishing touch, I used a clear coat to spray it on the handle to try to preserve the wood a little bit.